Hello, good afternoon. This is Binod, and today I'm going to show my presentation about the assignment which we did on the group. So this is my individual video which I have made based on my assignments. So let's start it. To start the assignment, first we need to understand what is the database management system. Database management system, it is a software package which is designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, manage data in a database. A database management system generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field names, record structure, and file structure. It also defines the rules to validate and manipulate this data. So it's really important to understand what's the database management system before starting the assignments, before working on the project, what we are going to do. And the other thing really we need to understand while studying the database management system is to learn about and how to draw the ER diagram. Actually, ER diagram is also known as ERD or ER diagram or ER model as well. It's a type of a structural diagram to use in database design. Actually, the ER diagram contains different kind of symbols and connectors that visualize two important informations: the measuring entities within the system scope and the interrelationship among these entities. And that's why it's called entity relationship diagram, because it shows the relationship between the entities that are used under any um, organization or anything. And here we go. This is the ER diagram which we made on our report. These are the entities which are used, and these are the relationship between. For example, I will tell about the properties on the client. A client can have zero properties or more than or many properties. This symbolize a zero, the more than or many. This symbolize that a properties can have one client or more than one client. But the reason which we put this straight line here, because a property must have one client, but it can have more than one client as well. That's why we did use this kind of symbol here. And the other thing we need to really understand is the normalization. The term normalization, it's systematic approach of the decomposing tables dealing with the data redundancy, repetition, which is also known as repetition, and the undesirable characteristics like installations, update, deletion, and anomalies. It is a multi-step process that puts data into the table form and removing the duplicated data from the relation tables. So understanding the normalization really helps us to remove the duplicated data and to put the original data. And before using the database management system, we really need to understand that what are the advantages of the DBMS. So here we go. The very first point is DBMS offers a variety of techniques to store and retrieve data. And the point is DBMS serves as an efficient handle to balance the needs of multiple applications using the same data. And it also uniforms the administration for the proceduring for data, and the application programs never exposed to the details of the data representation and the storage if we use a DBMS. And the DBMS also use the various powerful functions to store and retrieve data efficiently, and it also offers data integrity and security. So that is the most valid reason to use the DBMS, because it could really helps to keep our data keep the data in the integrity form, and to make it secure. And the other thing, the least but not the last one, it also reduces the application development time. So this is the main reason we use the DBMS. Um, and by using the DBMS, by understanding the DBMS, we completed our project as well. So DBMS was really helpful, and we learned many things by understanding the DBMS as well. Um, Under the DBMS, we learn to use how to use this SQL as well. Yeah, so that was the end of my presentation. Thank you so much.